Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been battling product buildup or struggling with excess oil, you know that finding the right shampoo can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the Olaplex No. 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. This powerful formula promises to give your hair a deep clean while restoring softness, shine, and clarity. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Olaplex No. 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo is designed for all hair types, especially those struggling with product buildup or oily roots. It's a liquid formula that comes in a sleek 8.5 fl bottle. What's most interesting about this clarifying shampoo is that it's unscented, which I think makes it a lot more versatile for different hair care routines. It's part of the iconic Olaplex Bond Maintenance line, known for its focus on strengthening and protecting hair bonds, so I was excited to see how it performed on my hair. Now, when it comes to performance, the shampoo is designed to thoroughly cleanse the scalp, stripping away excess oils and any product buildup that regular shampoos might leave behind. But it's also formulated to keep your hair feeling soft and shiny, something that many clarifying shampoos fail to do. I used it during my regular wash day routine and was impressed by how easy it was to work into a lather. It didn't feel harsh or stripping, but I did notice that it effectively removed the buildup from the styling products I've been using lately. What really stood out was how soft and shiny my hair felt after using it. Often after clarifying shampoos, hair can feel a bit dry or rough. That wasn't the case here. My hair felt smooth, manageable, and ready for styling, which I really appreciated. I also noticed that my scalp felt refreshed, and the excess oil I sometimes battle with was significantly reduced. On the flip side, it's important to mention that if you have extremely dry or damaged hair, you might want to be cautious. While it's great for oil and buildup removal, if your hair needs extra moisture or hydration, you'll definitely want to follow up with a nourishing conditioner. In terms of pros, it delivers on its promises of deep cleaning without making the hair feel brittle. The unscented formula is a bonus, especially if you're sensitive to fragrances. It's also pretty gentle for a clarifying shampoo, which can sometimes be too harsh on your strands. On the cons side, while it's excellent for buildup, it may not be hydrating enough for those with more damaged hair. So, how does the Olaplex No. 4C measure up in terms of value? Well, for the price, you're getting a high-performance shampoo from a brand renowned for its bond-building technology. It's a bit pricier than your average clarifying shampoo, but if you're looking for something that restores shine and softness while clearing away buildup, it's worth the investment. It's not a product you'll use every day, but it's definitely a must-have for a deep cleanse when you need it. I compared this shampoo to other clarifying shampoos in a similar price range, and what sets Olaplex No. 4C apart is its focus on hair health and protection. While others may just clean, this shampoo actually helps maintain the integrity of your hair bonds, so you're not sacrificing strength for a clean scalp. As for build quality, the packaging is exactly what you'd expect from Olaplex: simple, sleek, and effective. The bottle feels sturdy, and the product itself doesn't require you to use a lot to get the job done, so it should last a decent amount of time. The longevity of the effects is also notable. After a few washes, I noticed my scalp felt less greasy and more balanced. If you're on the fence about whether to splurge on this product, consider what you're looking for in a clarifying shampoo. If you're someone who needs a deeper cleanse without compromising on shine and hair health, this one's a winner. But if you're on a budget, there are some solid alternatives, like Neutrogena's anti-residue shampoo, which also removes buildup but may not provide the same level of shine and softness. In conclusion, the Olaplex No. 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo is a game changer for those who need to remove buildup and excess oil without sacrificing hair health. If you've used a lot of styling products or have oily roots, this could be your go-to shampoo for a clean scalp and restored shine. For those with drier hair types, just be sure to follow up with a good conditioner to maintain hydration. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this shampoo Or have any clarifying shampoo favorites of your own? Drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.